Well, it turns out that bees, of course, go to classical plants that they're known for, but they also go to other things that people don't realize. For example, they go to things like some of the grasses, and they collect pollen, the females that is, female bees. They'll also go to the male catkins of oak trees and also willow trees. So these are sort of non-conventional kinds of plants that they go to, and they're well known to collect pollen, which they use in nest building. Some of the bees also go to flowers that you wouldn't think that they would be collecting from. For example, some of the salvias have nectaries that are deep within the throat of the corolla. And because they can't get to that nectar legally, that is, they enter the flower legally, they'll poke a hole in the base of the flower or stick their proboscis between the calyx and the corolla tube, and they'll remove the nectar. And some of these flowers are the non-classical red flowers. So bees find ways to get the resources. That's what they're after, is the resources that plants have, and if they can get to them, they will. In the case of some of these red salvias, for example, they'll poke a hole in the base of the corolla because the corolla is too constricted. They can't get their mouth parts in it. They'll poke a hole, they'll get the nectar, and then after that comes the honeybees. They figured out that if they follow the holes made by the carpenter bees, that they'll be able to extract the nectar as well, and they do.